Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about another one circuit with the op amp. Here we are considering the ideal op amp and we are going to find out the current across the load resistor RL. Here output of the op amp connected to the base terminal of the transistor. Inverting terminal is connected to the collector terminal of the transistor. So that we can tell this op amp operating with the closed loop configuration, so that we can apply the concept of virtual short, so that whatever the input voltage appears at the non-inverting terminal will appear at the inverting terminal also. That means voltage at this node also 3 volt, and similarly voltage at this node also 3 volt. And here op amp is a ideal op amp, so that there is no current flow in this direction, and we can tell that I is equal to 0 amp. So whatever the current appears across the 22 kilo ohm resistor will appears across the collector terminal. And we can say collector current IC is equal to 5 volt minus 3 volt divided by 22 kilo ohm, which is equal to 90.90 microamps. And here load current IL is equal to emitter current. Usually we can say collector current IC is approximately equal to IE, and this is valid when the beta is very high. But here value of the beta is equal to 30. So we will find the exact value of the emitter current. And we know that collector current IC is equal to alpha times IE. And also we know that alpha is equal to beta divided by 1 plus beta. So that IC is equal to beta divided by 1 plus beta into IE. And that means emitter current IE is equal to beta plus 1 divided by beta into IC. And also we know that value of the beta will be 30. So that emitter current IE is equal to 31 divided by 30 into 90.9 microamps, which is equal to 93.93 microamps. So we can tell that the load current IL is equal to 93.93 microamps. Let us simulate the circuit. As we discussed, op amp is the ideal op amp, so that we can apply the virtual short, and whatever the voltage appears across the non-inverting terminal will be appears across the inverting terminal also. So that voltage at inverting terminal also 3 volt, and similarly voltage at collector terminal of the transistor also 3 volt. When we calculate the collector current IC across the 22 kilo ohm resistor is 90.90 microamps. Due to the value of the beta, the current across the emitter will be 93.93 microamps. So our theoretical calculation and the stimulated value will matching each other. So by using this circuit, we have learned about closed loop configuration of the op amp, and also how to calculate the emitter current when we have the less beta value. Hope you are able to understand this circuit. Thank you. Thank you for the watching.